Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces or custom watch faces on this device. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the ZEP application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue, and we can install additional watch faces a couple of ways. First one is via the ZEP application that we used to pair our devices. So let's open the ZEP application on our phone. In the application, let's tap on Profile. Here select our GTS 2 Mini from the list of devices. Then tap on Store. And here we have the watch face store on our ZEP app, and we can scroll up and down through the list of watch faces, different categories. We can also open the categories by tapping on More. And now we can find the watch face we like, tap on it, for example this one. And here we have information about the watch face and also recommended watch faces. And once you're done looking through this page, tap on the sync button to basically sync the watch face with your watch and apply it. We need to overwrite one of the watch faces we have already on our watch. So let's select the one you want to overwrite and then tap on confirm the overwriting. And once it's done syncing, the watch face will be applied on your watch, as you can see. You can also install custom watch faces from via the third-party applications. So for example, we can open the App Store on our phone. In the App Store, we can tap on search, type in Amazfit GTS 2, and here we have different apps, as you can see. And one of the apps is called, for example, Amazfit GTS 2 watch faces. I know this app works. I can also tell you that the app called Watch Face for Amazfit also works, but it's filled with ads. This one is better, I think. So let's select the Amazfit GTS 2. Tap on Install to install the app. And once the app is done installing, you can tap on Open to open it. Now let's allow the permission for the photos and media. And here we need to select our device. We need to select GTS 2 Mini, so let's tap on it and then tap to apply. And here we have a list of watch faces we can apply on our watch. Find the one you like. For example, this one. Tap on it, and here we have a little tutorial how to install the watch face on our watch. Basically, we need to tap on Install button. We can also favorite, basically tap on the screen until you go through this tutorial. And now, to install the watch face on your watch, tap on Install button. We need to tap on Permit the access. And then we need to tap on Use this folder right here. Then Allow. Then we need to tap on Install button again. Then tap on Open ZEP. And what we need to do in the ZEP app, basically we need to sync this watch face called Colorful Life. So we need to tap on Open ZEP app. Scroll up, or rather go back from this category, go to the main page of the watch face store, and as you can see, the top watch face is called Colorful Life. We need to select it, tap on Sync, and overwrite one of the watch faces. So let's select this one, for example, then tap on Confirm. And as you can see, our watch face was applied like this. And that's how you install additional watch faces or custom watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.